So today I'll show you how to use Heron's formula to define a triangle's area. A triangle, it is given to you, so this triangle A, B, and C are given. So what you are going to do, you have to use the formula called Heron formula to define the area. So to define the area, first you have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is defined by A plus B plus C over 2. As you know, perimeter is A plus B plus C, but when you divide it in 2, we call it semi-perimeter. So refer this one semi-perimeter. Then after finding the semi-perimeter, you can define the area by using this formula. We call it Heron's formula. So it is P times P minus side A times P minus side B times P minus side C. So this sometimes some books P can be given by S, so it can be S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So it refers to the semi-perimeter. So based on this, let us do one example. So the three sides of a triangle are given by 39, 42, and 45. First you have to define P. P is equal to 39 plus 42 plus 45 divided by 2. Then this will be 9 to 5. It will be 16. 1 is there, so 3 plus 4 it is 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 over 2. It will be 63. Then after finding this one, you have to use this formula to define the area. A is equal to P. What is P? It is 63. 63 times 63 minus side A, which is 39. 63 times side B, which is 42. And 63 minus side C, which is 45. So after this, what you are going to do, this will be 63 minus 13 minus 9, it will be, so 13 minus 9, it will be 4. Then 5 minus 3, it will be 2, so 24. Then 3 minus 2, it will be 1. 6 minus 2, it is 6 minus 4, it will be 2. And 13 minus 5, it will be 8. And 5 minus 4, it will be 1. So after this, what you are going to do, you have to multiply all of them. So to make it simple, 63 means 9 times 7, and 24 means just 4 times 6. And 21, you can keep it there. 18 means 9 times 2. So based on this, you can make it here just like 9 times 7 times 4 times 6 times 21 times 9 times 2. Then you can take, so then you can take this one, 9, 4, 9. And it will be just 3 out of square root of 3 times 2 times 3, right? 9 square root of out of square root is 3, 4 out of square root it will be 2, and this one it will be 3. So this times the square root of 7 times 6 times 21 times 2. Then it will be, this will be 3 times 3, 9 times 2, 9 times 2, 18. Then here it will be 7 times 6, it will be 42. So 21 times 2, it will be 42. Then when this square root of 42 times 42, it will be like 80 times 42. Then 80 times 42 will be 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 1 is 3, 4 times 8, 32, and 4 times 1, 4, 7, so 6, 5, 7. So it will be 756 units square. So this is how you are going to define the area if only 3 sides are given to you.